Barcodes are symbols that can be scanned electronically using laser or image-based technology. So how do barcodes work? Barcodes are intelligently devised sets of codes that give a lot of information easily. Barcodes are symbols that can be scanned electronically using laser or image-based technology. Barcodes are used to encode information such as key identifier. For example, the product shipment and location. Barcodes are used to encode information such as key attributes, such as serial numbers, batch lot numbers and dates. Barcodes play a key role in supply chains, enabling parties such as retailers, manufacturers, transport providers, and hospitals to automatically identify and track products as they move through the supply chain. Transport and logistics, receiving, put away, replenishment, picking order fulfillment, forklift operations, truck loading unloading, inventory, returns, and baggage management. Barcodes are available in two different types: linear barcodes and two-dimensional matrix barcodes. There are about 30 major barcode formats that are commonly used today based on the linear numeric, linear alphanumeric, and two-dimensional designs. In order for the barcode to be tracked, the barcode is first scanned using a scanner or mobile device that extracts the data. The data is sent to a computer in binary form, which is then decoded and stored in an asset tracking software database. If you run a busy store, you will need to keep track of all the things you sell, so you can make sure the ones your customers want to buy are always in stock. Today there are numerous barcode variations on the market which can cause confusion about what each does and how to use them and what their value is for the retailers. Reusing barcodes is a no-no unless you're doing a second run or batch of a previously barcoded product. In every other scenario, a new barcode is required. The most common barcode reader technologies are pen or wand barcode readers, laser scanners, CCD, charge-coupled device, readers. Pen or wand barcode readers are designed for durable, inexpensive use by a single user who can quickly scan packages or other items. However, there can be a downside with the person using it, with the user needing some practice to perfect the scan. The scanner is a tool for providing fast and easy customer service in places like supermarkets and restaurants. With these rugged tools, workers can immediately read any barcode, in any condition, whether labels are damaged, scratched, visible or under a plastic wrap. Laser barcode scanners use a visible and repetitive, flashing laser light beam, commonly used to track inventory and to enter purchases into a computerized management system. Are barcodes and QR code the same? Barcodes are based on Morse code technology. QR codes are based on Morse code technology. Barcode has less data storage. QR code has more data storage as compared to the barcode. While a barcode only holds information in the horizontal direction, a QR code does hold information in both horizontal and vertical directions. Due to this, a QR code holds hundreds of times more information than a barcode. Should you have any inquiries about our products and services, please do not hesitate to contact us. Call Koala Labels on 0151 546 2222 or drop us an email. Koala Labels is a trading site of Label Line UK.